So, Samsung just made things a little confusing again. We now have the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Both look familiar. Both sound great, but one costs a lot less. So what's the real difference? Alright, starting with design. Both follow Samsung's newer, open-fit, STEM-style design, clearly inspired by the AirPods. But here's where things split. The Buds 3 FE have a slightly bulkier build, with a more rounded and casual look. The Buds 3, on the other hand, feel more premium, with a slimmer stem and metallic accents that make them look more refined. Comfort-wise, both are lightweight, under 5 grams each, but if you're jogging or constantly on calls, the Buds 3 stay a bit more stable in-ear. So for all-day wear, the Buds 3 win on ergonomics, but the FE isn't far behind. Now let's talk about what really matters, sound. The Galaxy Buds 3 feature two-way dynamic drivers, meaning separate drivers handle the lows and highs. You get richer bass, clearer mids, and a nice sparkle in the treble. They also support 24-bit hi-fi audio over Samsung Seamless codec, but only if you're using a Galaxy phone. The Buds 3 FE, meanwhile, stick to single dynamic drivers. And you can hear the difference. The audio is still clean and full-bodied, but lacks that spacious stereo separation you get on the Buds 3. For everyday Spotify listening or YouTube, the FE sounds perfectly fine. But if you care about details, instrument separation, crisp vocals, the Buds 3 easily sound more refined. Both models have active noise cancellation, but Samsung's implementation on the Buds 3 is next level. The Buds 3 use adaptive ANC, which automatically adjusts based on your surroundings. Say you're in a cafe versus walking outside. The FE, while still offering ANC, doesn't have the same smart adjustment. It's more of an on-off toggle. Transparency or ambient mode is also better tuned on the Buds 3. Voices sound more natural and less digital. If you take calls or talk to people without removing your earbuds, you'll appreciate the difference. Here's where Samsung's ecosystem really shines. Both the Buds 3 and Buds 3 FE support SmartThings, Find, Auto Switch, and Galaxy Wearable app controls. But the Buds 3 go further. You get voice controls through Bixby, custom touch gestures, and even Galaxy AI features like live translation and ambient voice notifications if paired with the Galaxy AI phone. Plus, the Buds 3 have LED indicators on the stems for battery and pairing. A small touch, but genuinely helpful. The FE skips those, keeping things simple. Perfect if you just want plug-and-play functionality. Battery life is neck and neck. You get up to 6 hours with ANC on and around 20 hours total with the case on both models. But the Buds 3 case supports wireless charging, while the FE's does not. Both support fast charging via USB-C though. 10 minutes gets you around an hour of playtime. So if you rely on MagSafe pads or Samsung's wireless power share, that might be a small deal breaker for the FE. Here's the big one, price. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE retail for around $99, while the Galaxy Buds 3 sit closer to $179. So is the price jump worth it? If you're deep in Samsung's ecosystem, care about audio detail, and love features like adaptive ANC and Galaxy AI, the Buds 3 are definitely worth it. But if you just want solid sound, decent ANC, and that same sleek design for half the price, the Buds 3 FE are honestly one of the best value earbuds Samsung's ever made. So yeah, the Buds 3 might be smarter, but the Buds 3 FE are smarter buys. Links to both are in the description. Check them out and decide which fits your lifestyle better.